What is up, y'all? What is up, YouTube? Babe, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Jackson. Say hi. Oh yeah, as you can see, Drina, say hi.
Hi. How you doing?
All right, we are checking out the lights here at Temple Square down in Salt Lake City, Utah. And so they got a bunch of lights. It's pretty cool, but I still think that Hawaii has better lights. And if you guys haven't seen Hawaii lights, like you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's a place, it's a beach called Ala Moana, and they actually got pretty good lights. So it's pretty crowded here, as you can see. So anyways, there's a lot of people here, a lot of Mormons, because after all, it is in the state of the Mormon state. And look, there it is. The Mormon temple. Bless! I'm here with my brother's kids. Both of my brother's kids, and my brother-in-law brought his girlfriend. Toops! Say what's up.
What's up?
Yo, what's up?
You know how,
as you can see, these guys are talking about Halo 4. I'm just kidding. So anyways, yeah, it's pretty crowded, as you can tell. Look at that. All these people, man. There's just so many people here. Gosh, the worst time to come see the lights is on the Saturday right before Christmas, because there's like a ton of people that wait till the last weekend before Christmas to see the lights. They actually turn it on right after Thanksgiving. What?
We're supposed to go left over there. We're trying to go to the middle.
Oh, okay.
Look, they're
Dude, let's go. Well, we're gonna make our way to the middle,
No, we're trying to go to the middle.
and you guys don't want to get lost, so it's pretty cool. Hot Toops. Is this your first time seeing the lights?
no, this is like my third time.
Fourth time. What about you, Susan?
My third time.
Third time? Okay, well, we're all not new to this then, I guess. But for my kids, it's actually their first time. We brought my daughter when she was like 2 years old, but yeah, she doesn't remember anything. But now she kind of remembers. When she gets older, she'll remember a little bit. So yeah, y'all, peace. Check this bad boy out. What?
We're gonna go on the other side so we can get the temple behind us.
What kind of pose is that, man? Who's teaching you how to pose like that, man?
Man, these trees are freaking awesome when they have lights on them. Who would have known that lights could be so attractive? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Who is this? What's your name? State your name.
Hi.
State what your crime is that you're in here for.
I'm here for being happy.
All right. So we're gonna walk over to the other side where we can have a better view of the fountain. Oh, there it is.
She didn't last.
They're coming. Where are they?
Say hi, Puns.
Okay. Hi. Okay, here.
Say hi. This will be on YouTube. This will be on YouTube.
What up, YouTube? What up, YouTube Nation? Yeah, we here with the family, taking care of business. That's what we do.
Everybody's taking picture while I'm the only one taking video.
Everybody left. Say cheese.
Look at this chubby kid.
Where'd you take a picture?
For me? Oh, I'm recording. I'm recording, sorry. Ready, cheese. Max, what's up? Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, Max is in the
Oh, shoot. My bad. This is for memories. This will be long-lasting memory. Lamo. Oh yeah, I failed to mention that the building right there is actually my house. It's only about 200,000 square feet. So yeah, right, Toops? Isn't that my house up there?
You should check out the king size bed on that mug.
He only knows because, you know, I let him borrow that room for a little bit and, you know, came home the next day and the room was all messy.
The bed was all messy.